Alright, good morning. Familiar from the last video. Just got unloaded. Everything came off smoothly. The over-securement wasn't just my straps, load bars, and then their straps. It was also like 20 pieces of dunnage. If you don't know what dunnage is, it's things that help secure the load, I guess you could say. Like airbags and cardboard and stuff like that helps it to where it won't shift or anything like that. So there's a lot of securement in that load. I don't have very much time to record right now because I still need to finish the last video and be able to upload it, which you'll be seeing yesterday. So I can't stay on here too long, but yeah, today now we're going to be heading from Vegas down to Kingman, Arizona, picking up there, and then delivering that down in Tolleson, which is just outside of Phoenix. So, short hop, but it pays pretty good, and it's going to be kind of like a testing thing for this agency and their load, because they have the same load posted like every day. So test that out and see how that goes. If it works out well, I might just try to secure that run for a little while when we come back out. But yeah, not much else to say. Let's go down there and pick that up. It's about a 2-hour drive or so, give or take a little bit, depending on traffic. We still got to get through Vegas, but we're taking the 215, which is the south side of Vegas, so it shouldn't be too bad. But I just jinxed myself. But yeah, probably stop at the White Hills TA Express again, let the dogs out, and then we got to stop at a Flying J just before we get to the pickup, and then we'll go from there. So we'll see you guys down at White Hills. Good boy, come here.
Hi, Chacho.
Come on, Chacho. Hey, babies. Come on, you want to go up here? Good girl. Good girl, Bim Bim. Good girl, Bim Bim.
Looks like I can make you too.
Come on. Can you get back down?
Come here, Bill.
You just did it. Come on, you just did it. Come on. Come on, Bim Bim. No, you just gotta stay up there. Come on. Good girl. Good girl, Bim Bims. For y'all that do bring your dogs out, don't mind Chacho. It's just taking a pee. Pick up after your dogs, please. What are you barking at? Stop barking. Hey.
Let's go.
Alright, hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Dogs started playing with each other, and that's the first time that's happened. I have 6 hours and 56 minutes of remaining drive time. But, yeah. Again, stopped at the TA Express because it's that little dog park. Can't beat it. It's one of the best I've seen. Again, if you have pets and you're bringing them into the dog parks, pick up after your dog, please. Don't leave your dog shit everywhere.
Especially in a place that actually has the bags.
Yeah, has the bags, has a really nice dog park for you to take your dog instead of having to make them walk in the gravel or the dirt and get one of those goat head stickers in their feet. That right there is why truck drivers aren't allowed to park overnight at Walmarts anymore. That's why we're not allowed in a lot of places anymore, is because you guys can't pick up after yourselves. You just can't. Let alone your pets. So, that's the basis of this video, I guess. Pick up after your pets. Don't trash places, because it ruins it for the rest of us. But other than that, just check the weather. You can kind of see the dust storm out there. That just blew through here. And it's continuing to blow through here. Like if I were to show you over that way, but Kylie's in the way, I don't want to. Yeah, it's alright. But you'll see it when I get back on the road. There's a dust storm basically going on right now. Gusts of over 50 miles per hour. Consistent speed of 23 to 30. So it's gonna be a white knuckle kind of ride, but I don't normally, like if I had time I would just stay here. I don't normally want to drive in wind conditions like this, but kind of don't have a choice because I'm already booked on this load. So yeah, got to pick it up today. So we're gonna head out. We're gonna make a stop in Kingman at the Flying J. I don't know if I'll record there or not. We're just gonna stop in real quick, and then yeah, go pick up, and then we're heading down to Phoenix. So we'll see you guys down there in Kingman at the pickup at least. And if anything pops up, like this wind gets way too bad to where I can't drive anymore, I'll update you then. Alright y'all, we are here at the pickup. And yeah, at this one they require you to slide the tandems, disconnect, dolly down and all that stuff, so had to get all that stuff done. I wasn't given an appointment time, and I messaged the agent this morning when we were delivering. She never answered back. So when I went in to go check in, the lady asked what my appointment time was, and I told her I don't have one. She's like, everybody has an appointment time, with a snarky attitude. And then she asked for my appointment number and my load number and all that stuff. She was like, "Oh, your appointment's at 1:30." Or she told the other guy that, "Hey, this is your 1:30 to load." So I guess I arrived right on time. There's no other trucks here. There was one, but he's already loaded and gone. So, yeah, I don't know. But here's the other thing we're dealing with. It's not half as bad as what it was just a few minutes ago, but as you can see by that tarp blowing around and everything else, it is super windy, and we got to deal with that on the way down to Phoenix. Luckily, we'll be loaded this time, so. But yeah, we're gonna get loaded up here, and then I'll update you guys when we're done, I guess. All right, we are loaded. They put 10,000 pounds over what they initially booked the load for, but I'm not gonna say too much because it is just a load to get home. I'm not super worried about it. But yeah, there was other people trying to back in, so I didn't do an update while I was there. So we're gonna stop down here at the Petro in about 20 miles or so. Go use the restroom, and then straight down to Tolleson from there. And to drop and hook at that facility. So just a quick in and out, hopefully. The agent I booked this load with has a lot of bad things said about them, about not having trailers at the delivery. So hopefully, fingers crossed, that's not the case.
Said that they don't have issues with this.
Yeah, exactly. Like when I called, I asked, I was like, "So I know that you guys have issues with the trailers and stuff." Man. And she said, "No, there's no issues at this location." So again, fingers crossed. We are just going home, so I'm not super worried about it, because normally it would take about 72 hours for them to unload or have my trailer ready again. So I could just go back in 3 days and just go pick up my trailer. But I am actually kind of happy they put more weight on me, because this wind is killer. It's ridiculous. This wind is actually worse than Wyoming right now.
So bad it caused a dust storm.
Yeah, it's a constant dust storm. Some really bad clouds out that way, but that's mostly dust. But yeah, we're gonna get down here to Petro, go use the restroom, and then straight down to Tolleson, and that will be the end of this load. So a quick one-day run. Again, fingers crossed. Hopefully it's a quick in and out, but we shall see when we get there. We'll see you guys up at the Petro. So just doing a little update. We're at the house. Make sure I don't show anything. Any pictures or anything like that. But anyway, yeah, we're at the house. We're visiting Kylie's mom. Doing some work on the truck. Little sneak peek. Oop. But yeah, we're doing some customizations to the truck and everything. The delivery was super simple, super easy. Long line getting into the Home Depot warehouse, but it is what it is. They're just super busy or whatnot. I don't know if it was just that time of day or whatever, but yeah, we got a lot going on here at the house. It's not just visiting. These first few days we're just going to be focusing on getting the customizations to the truck that we want to do, which you guys will have to see in the next videos tomorrow or the next day's vlog. Not sure which one I'm going to do first, but I know I keep pushing it back. I do need to do a review of Landstar and the truck and everything else. That will be coming. I promise it will be coming. I'm going to record that over this weekend. Knock that out. And that'll cover me for the week that we're here, kind of. Or not this weekend. Maybe this weekend, maybe this week. I don't know. Depends on what we're doing. I went a little overboard. I bought some new clothes. Shout out to Cletus McFarland. I don't know if you guys watch this channel or anything like that, but I bought a lot of clothes to enter a giveaway for their Marauder plus 10,000 cash or whatever. So I bought some clothes. It was time anyway. I needed to buy some new shirts. The shirts that I had were a few years old, actually longer than that, probably like 3 or 4 years old. So it was time to upgrade. But yeah, we got a lot of customizations coming to the truck. But back to the delivery and all that. I sat in line for probably like 30-45 minutes trying to get into the Home Depot warehouse. I'm sorry I didn't record it. I was limited on space on my phone, so I couldn't. But yeah, so we went in there, dropped the trailer. The straps that I left in the back, I wasn't able to get back out, but they had like 3 or 4 giant boxes of straps. And I asked the guard, I was like, hey, could I get my straps out of the back? And he said no, but we have a bunch of boxes of straps that are right up in next to the guard check or whatever. So on your way out, you could pick up some. And I was like, am I able to get 3? Because that's how many I had in the back. And he said, you can grab the whole box if you want. I should have grabbed the entire box because those straps aren't cheap. And the ones that I got, I did kind of, I kind of like picked through for the good ones. But no, I didn't want to grab an entire box because I'm not going to be that guy. Maybe there's someone that's coming through that really needs the straps or whatever, or, you know, whatever it may be. I don't want to be that guy and have that bad karma on me for just taking the entire box and leaving none for anybody else. So I didn't do that. But yeah, so I grabbed some straps on the way out. Got a brand new trailer, 2021, so kind of brand new, less than a year old. And yeah, came home with like 3 minutes to spare on my clock. So yesterday was a long day, but we got it done. The pickup took about 4 hours to load or something like that, 3 or 4 hours to get us loaded. But it is what it is. I'm kind of used to that from Prime. And I might do that a couple more times. I don't know if I'm gonna have to record it because I'm doing the daily vlogs now, but I might do that a few more times on the way back out just to get us back on track and knock out a couple of quick deliveries, pickup and deliveries within, 200 miles, just back and forth. So I think I'm going to do that. I'm not sure yet. Depends on if a really good load pops up or whatnot over the week. That leaves out next Monday is when we're going to be heading back out. But yeah, making some customizations to the truck. You guys will see that in the next video. Again, little sneak peek. And we will we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you guys want to converse or whatever, you can go check out the Discord in the description below. Dogs are going to start going crazy because I think they're getting back from the store. So we'll catch you guys on the next one. Click on the videos around the screen. I appreciate you all watching.